very generous and spacious. As we walk towards the living hall, you can actually feel the size that this unit has to offer. And right in front of me is actually the spacious kitchen. In this kitchen itself, it's actually very longish and it's actually very windy as well. For this unit, it's actually upgraded. It comes with an additional utility room at the back of the kitchen. As you can see right here, you can actually use it for a study or even a gym. The toilet is actually upgraded. I would say that this unit is actually in a very original condition, but the good thing is that this unit doesn't come with a lot of built-in cabinets, so during renovation you do not need to have the problem of removing any carpentries at all. You can just build on. And now I'm coming to the first common bedroom. This common bedroom is actually very long, because as you can see, you can house two beds like length to length. And the facing of this unit is actually south facing. There won't be any west sun coming in, as you can see right here. There's no built-in wardrobe as well. All the furniture that you see here is actually movable. And now walking towards the master room. This is actually the master room. It's also very big. It comes with an attached bathroom. It's also fully upgraded. It's actually a very squarish, regular unit. Alright, and I'm going towards the hall again, but right before that, this is actually the storeroom, where you can have a little bit of storage space right here.